The best way to predict the future is to create it.
Opportunities don't just happen, you create them.
Education is my competitive advantage.
At the California Institute of Advanced Management, we envision a world where our graduates become champions of change.
AI is changing everything. I want to be a part of that change.
Management is more than business. We create leaders of leaders.
MBA was something that I was really interested in as a way to kind of bridge that gap between engineering and engineering leadership.
I'm not just a student, I'm a contributor.
Management that turns ideas into action.
You can meet a lot of professionals that will help you later in life or just to know people in your network.
Management that leads with vision.
Management that drives success. Management that matters.
Management that matters.
Management that matters.
California Institute of Advanced Management. We educate future leaders in responsible, holistic, and compassionate business management. Because true success is measured by the betterment of humanity. Management that matters.